Tiny Explorers Academy.
Hello, tiny explorers. Are you ready to dive deep into the ocean? Today, we're going on an exciting underwater adventure to meet some amazing sea creatures. From dancing dolphins to sneaky sharks, colorful fish to giant whales, there's so much to discover. So grab your snorkel, put on your flippers, and let's splash into the sea with Tiny Explorers Academy. Let's go!
Octopus. Sea turtle. Crab. Starfish. Rayfish. Seahorse. Clam. Lobster. Sea urchin. Squid. Jellyfish. Shrimp. Dolphin. Shark. Fish. Whale.
Wow! That was so much fun, little explorers! We saw so many amazing sea creatures today, from wiggly octopuses to friendly dolphins and more. Thanks for diving into the deep blue sea with us. If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Explorers Academy for more fun adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, friends.
Welcome kids big and small to our adventure, let's have a ball. With songs and stories every day, we're here to learn and laugh away. Tiny Explorers, that's our name. With friends and fun, it's all a game. Discover wonders near and far, you'll be the brightest little star. Tiny Explorers.